Welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification of videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, we'll be making apple butter teeth, or you can use caramel instead. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Mom's Foodie. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe at. Red apples sliced, and you're going to want to slice them again so they're skinny. They're kind of stuck together, but see, they're small. I'm using almond butter, but you can use peanut butter or any nut butter you want. We're going to need marshmallows for the teeth, and I'm also using caramel dip. For the people that cannot have nuts, this will be a great alternative for them. We're going to start off with our caramel. Especially if you have children there that are some allergic to the nuts and some kids aren't. We might want to do the caramel first so we keep the nuts away from the caramel. I can't personally have peanuts, but I'm lucky enough to still have almonds and other nuts. I don't want to tempt faith. We're just going to wipe it on. It's a little difficult because they are a little damp. And oops. And I drop it. Let's try it again. Okay. Make sure they line up. This will be the top. What I did is I cut them in half, then I cut them in half again and kept them together so that they will line up. I'm going to move this out of the way. Our bottom tooth. And then we're just going to stick our marshmallows right on top. Want to make sure they're seated in. So you have to move your peanut butter or caramel, whichever you choose to use. Oops, that way. A little bit of caramel stuck down the bottom to make sure they stay up. Then, show you what it looks like. And we're just going to stick this right on top. And we have our teeth. A little messy. Next one will be better. Now we're going to get started on our apple ones. Just same thing. We're just going to open them up. I didn't break all the way. This will be the top, bottom. You're just going to put a little bit of your nut butter down, for one you choose. And we're just going to smear it on top. Put your marshmallow for the teeth. Put these down. Put your top on. And there, you got your teeth. Yep, like that. Move this out of the way. You're there. We have our last one. We have our apple teeth and we have our caramel teeth. I can't wait to try them. And now finally the fun part. We get to try our apple teeth. One was made with peanut butter, one is made with caramel. Let's try them both. Here's the caramel one and the peanut butter. Well, almond butter for me. Like I said, you can use any nut butter you like. Or don't use it all. And if you want to, you can always put a little bit of chocolate in your almond butter or Nutella. Make it a little interesting and fun. Here is the almond butter. Mmm. It tastes like marshmallow fluff with peanut butter with a little bit of crisp with the sweetness of the apple. I enjoy this. Let's try our caramel one. It's kind of falling apart because it's caramel. And who doesn't like caramel and apples together? Really good. I can't choose them. If I were you, I'll make them both. They're both really good and so easy to make. A great snack for kids on Halloween. They come home from school, they have a little cute little snack. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny RV. Leave a comment down below if you like any of these great recipes, or let me know what you'd like me to make. I have only a 22-foot camper, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!